In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline stroke to text in Adobe Premiere Pro. A clean text border is one of the simplest ways to make titles stand out against busy footage, and Premiere Pro makes it quick and flexible. Start by opening your project and adding your text. The easiest way is to use the graphics menu at the top. Choose New Layer, then Text, and type your title directly in the program monitor. You can position and scale it just by dragging the on-screen controls. Keeping your text on its own track above your video will also make it easy to work with. Next, click the text layer in your timeline to make sure it's selected. This is important because the controls we're about to use apply to whichever graphic is active. If you have multiple titles, double check that the blue highlight is on the right one. Now head to the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see it, open it from the window menu so it's easy to access. Inside Essential Graphics, look for your text layer in the Edit tab. Then scroll down to the Appearance section. This is where you'll find everything you need for your border. Enable stroke by checking the box. You'll immediately see a thin outline appear around your text in the program monitor. Click the color swatch to choose a stroke color that contrasts with your footage. White or black are classic choices, but feel free to match your brand colors as long as readability stays strong. Use the stroke slider to adjust the thickness. Subtle is often better. You want a clear edge without overwhelming the letters. If your text sits over very light and very dark areas, try adding multiple strokes by clicking the plus icon. For example, a thin black stroke under a slightly thicker white stroke can keep text legible across almost any background. You can toggle visibility to compare looks as you fine-tune. Keep an eye on the program monitor to preview changes in real time. Scrub a bit of your timeline to see how the outline holds up across different shots. Small tweaks to color and thickness can make a big difference in clarity. Once you're happy with the result, you're ready to export. Your styled text is part of the graphic layer, so it will render exactly as you see it. Use your usual export workflow, and your video will include the outline title with no extra steps. That's it. You've added a crisp, customizable border to your text in Premiere Pro, boosting visibility and polish in just a few clicks.